This simple breathing exercise is a foundational basic for unplugging. It allows more oxygen to get to the brain and enables thought to be more directed and focused. It can be very effective in controlling negative emotions. For example, when done before taking tests or speaking in public, calmness and clarity can be gained. When used in or out of timeout sessions or stressful scenarios like losing your temper or focus, it can help things stay in control and activate logical thought. It's simply breathing deeply in your nose, holding it for 3 seconds, and then blowing out your breath like you're blowing out a candle. And we're going to do that 3 times. Are you ready? Breathe in your nose deeply. Hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now out your mouth like you're blowing out a candle. Again, in your nose. Hold it. 2, 3. Out your mouth.